So, bakit ko nga ba nasabing hindi nagmamatter ang following count at views if you're a content creator to land a paid collaboration? So, this is based on my experience. Hey, everybody, this is Shara Quinones. I am a content creator for 8 months and I have landed multiple paid collaborations. I don't have a lot of following count. Okay, so let me just clarify. It's not just you don't need it. Actually, if you know your quality, your style, and you know how to deliver properly, you don't have a problem as a content creator. Hindi talaga siya yung dapat talaga malaki yung follower because if you know what you deliver, if you know your style, the brands will still reach out to you. This is based on my experience. So what, as a content creator, talagang dapat mag-set ka ng standards, ng rates. I mean, I don't mind doing X-Deal ha. Pero kung magagawa mo namang business or magagawa mo naman ito for a paid collaboration, then why not? So yun nga, brands reach out to me, not because I have a high following count. I only have 8,000 followers on Facebook, 2,900 on GI, and TT 12,500. Yes, it's a plus if you have that big following count. Mas malaking brands ang magre-reach out to you at mas maraming paid deals. However, if you are a small content creator just like me, huwag kang mag-alala dahil brands will reach out to you even if you have a low following count. This is a good side hustle. You don't have to be afraid to start. So when I started, I just use diapers as items sa yellow basket ko. Curtains namin. Ang content creation, kapag nagtiyaga ka, meron ka talaga makukuha. I also just want to add that hindi ko to magagawa if not because from the wisdom of the Lord. Si Lord talaga eh. Mauna. If you want to be a content creator, then start now. You don't need to think twice. And also, if you're doubting yourself, please pray harder because only God can give you the confidence and the wisdom to do what you gotta do. Thank you so much. Follow me for more.